Mediterranean home plans are a captivating and timeless architectural style that draws inspiration from the warm, sun-soaked regions of southern Europe. These homes exude a sense of relaxation, luxury, and a connection to the outdoors. They are characterized by the following features. Stucco exteriors. Mediterranean homes typically feature stucco exteriors that provide a sense of rustic charm and durability. The stucco is often textured, adding depth and character to the facade. Red tile roofs. One of the most distinctive features is the red tile roof, which not only provides protection from the sun but also adds a striking contrast to the white or beige stucco walls. Arched doorways and windows. Arches are a common architectural element in Mediterranean designs. Arched doorways and windows create a sense of grandeur and elegance while allowing for plenty of natural light. Wrought iron details. Ornate wrought iron railings, balconies, and gates are frequently used in Mediterranean homes, adding intricate, decorative elements. Courtyards. Mediterranean homes often include inner courtyards that provide a private and sheltered outdoor space for relaxation and entertaining. These courtyards may feature fountains, lush landscaping, and seating areas. Open floor plans. Mediterranean home interiors are characterized by open, flowing spaces that seamlessly connect the indoor and outdoor areas. This design encourages a sense of spaciousness and easy